Here is every Samsung phone explained. Currently, Samsung has 5 main series, all named after letters for easy recognition: A, F, M, S, and Z. And when it comes to price, they follow this order from the most affordable to the most expensive. The A, F, and M series make up Samsung's budget and mid-range lineup, typically priced $500 and below. The S series is the most common one and is available worldwide. It's divided into 5: the A0s, A10s, A20s, A30s, and A50s. We initially had the A70s, but it was discontinued. I'll explain why later. Samsung updates these phones yearly, following a predictable naming pattern. For example, in 2025, we'll have the A06, A16, A26, A36, and A56. Last year, we had A05, A15, A25, A35, and A55. And in 2026, we'll have the A07, A17, and A27, and so on. You get the gist. The F series is almost identical to the A series, with models like the F05 and F15 etc. But these phones are primarily sold in India, but sometimes you may come across 1 or 2 being sold outside India. The M series is also like the F and A series, but it's available in some regions and not available in some regions. The difference between M and A series is the battery size, camera, and performance. M series usually have bigger batteries and slightly better processors, but have worse cameras than A series. Almost everything else is the same. The S series is also available worldwide and is their flagship lineup. It's their best phones, and knowing them is easier. It's just the prefix X and the year that we are in. For example, in 2025 is the S25, last year it was the S24, and next year it will be the S26. It is divided into 4 models: the S25 Ultra, which is the most powerful, then the S25 Plus, which is a slightly bigger version of the base model, then the S25, which is a standard flagship but with a small screen, and then hopefully later on this year, the S25 FE. The reason why I'm saying hopefully is because sometimes it comes, sometimes it doesn't. Now, FE stands for Fan Edition and is slightly less powerful than the other S series phones, but it's still a very powerful phone. Now remember when I said that we had the Galaxy A70 series, which was discontinued? Well, the A70 series and the FE series had very similar features and were very close in price, so they decided to merge them into the FE only. Then finally, there's the Z series. These are the most expensive phones, but not really the best. The reason they're expensive is because they are folding phones. Currently, it consists of only 2 phones, the Z Flip and Z Fold. The Flip flips like a classic flip phone, and the Fold folds sort of like a book. Now we have the Note series, which was their best phone, but was discontinued back in 2020, replaced by the Z Fold and merged with the Ultra model in the S series. Which phone should I talk about next?